In this video, I'll show how to install glow plugs on a Volvo XC90 2.4D. These are used plugs, so they need to be prepared before installation. Step 1. Apply ceramic grease on each plug's threads, just a small amount, to prevent seizing and make future removal easier. Step 2. Before mounting, always clean the glow plug holes to remove dirt or carbon buildup. Then thread all 5 plugs in by hand until they stop. Never use force. Step 3. Tighten each plug with a torque wrench to exactly 9 Newton meters. Job done. All plugs are seated perfectly and working fine.